Hello friends, welcome to my channel Think and Write. I'm back with another new video and my today's video topic is 10 lines essay on Indira Gandhi in English. First of all, I hope you all are fine, good, happy and safe. And as you all know, I make one drawing in every video. So here also I have made a drawing of Indira Gandhi. And now I am going to start writing. First line, Indira Gandhi was the first woman Prime Minister of India. Second line, she was born on 19th November 1917 in Allahabad. Third line, she was the daughter of Jawaharlal Nehru. Fourth line, she became Prime Minister in 1966. Fifth line, she led India during the 1971 war with Pakistan. Sixth line, under her leadership, Bangladesh was created. Seventh line, her leadership was known for firm decisions and centralized power. Eighth line, she launched the Green Revolution to improve agriculture. Ninth line, she faced opposition and criticism but remained popular. 10th line, Indira Gandhi is remembered as a powerful and historic leader of India. Thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.